students, in this video we will do question number 4 of exercise 3.2. There are 4 parts in this question, and what is asked in this question? Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? It is asked that which of the following pair of equations are consistent and inconsistent. Firstly, we should clear that in which case it will be consistent. For consistent condition, two possibilities. One is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, and second condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. There are these two possibilities. In that case, pair of linear equations can be consistent. Now, for inconsistent, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for inconsistent. So, depending on these conditions, we will classify whether these pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Now, in next line, if we are getting consistent system of equations, then we have to obtain their solutions graphically. Means we have to draw graphs in those parts. In case of consistent only. Yes, dear students. Now, let's start our first part. In first part, what is given? X plus y is equal to 5. It can be rewritten in the form of x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 because it is our standard form of pair of linear equations. Similarly, we can write it as 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to, what we will do, comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. From here we can find the value of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. We will compare this first equation with that. From here a1 is equal to, what is the coefficient of x here? 1. So what will be the value of a1? 1. b1 is the coefficient of y, and here coefficient of y is 1. So again b1 is equal to 1. c1, what is the value of c1? c1 is equal to minus 5. Now we will find the value of a2. What is the value of a2? a2 is equal to 2. b2 is equal to 2. c2 is equal to minus 10. Now dear students, we will find the ratios. a1 by a2. From here what we will get? 1 by 2. b1 by b2. From here we will get 1 by 2. c1 by c2. Minus 5 by minus 10. Minus cancel out. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Again we are getting 1 by 2. So dear students, because a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So it is the condition of consistent pair of linear equation. So we can say that, so pair of linear equations are consistent. Now if these are consistent, we have to obtain the solution graphically. Now for these two equations we will prepare graph. For graph, firstly we will find the solution. Taking first equation first, x plus y is equal to 5. From here x is equal to 5 minus y. For y is equal to 0, x will equal to 5 minus 0 means 5. For y is equal to 1, what will be the value of x? X will equal to 5 minus 1 means 4. Now for y is equal to 2, what we will get? X will equal to 5 minus 2 means 3. You can take negative value also. You can substitute y is equal to 0. 0 I have taken, 1 to any negative value you can take. So from here now we will prepare a table. According to this table, x, y. X is 5 when y is 0. X is 4 when y is 1. X is 3 when y is 2. This is the solution of first equation. Now what we will do? We will take equation second. What is equation number second? 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. 2x will equal to 10 minus 2y, or x will equal to 10 minus 2y divided by 2. From here what we will get? 5 minus y. Same. So solution of this equation also will be same, or we can take for y is equal to 0, x will equal to 5. For y is equal to 1, x will equal to 5 minus 1 means 4. For y is equal to 2, x will equal to 5 minus 2 means 3. Now we will form second table. X, y, 0, 5, y 0, x 4, y 1, x 3, y 2. Now we will draw graph. According to given condition a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, we are getting this condition, and in this case we will get coincident lines, means infinite many solutions will be there. Okay, now we will prepare graph. So on graph paper or graphically we will also get the same result, whether these are coincident or intersecting lines. Now dear students, in graph draw vertical line as x-axis, horizontal line as y-axis, horizontal line as y-axis. X-axis x, x dash, vertical line y-axis y, y dash, and it is origin, that is 0. Now we can take one unit distance gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because maximum value. Now we can take negative value also, minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take minus 1 also. Now from first table, x 5. 5 is here, y 0, and y is 0 at x-axis. So it will be 5, 0. x4, y1, x4 and y is 1 here. Circle it, write twice, 4, 1. After it, x3, y2, x3, y is 2 here, 3, 2. Join these points. You will get one line, and for second line same solutions are there. Again we will get same line, this type of line, and in this case these lines are coincident. So graphically now you can classify whether these are coincident lines, intersecting lines or parallel lines. In coincident lines, graph is like this. Yes dear students, I think now from here we are getting coincident lines graph. Now come to second part. In second part equations are given in this form: x minus minus y is equal to 8. We can bring this 8 this side. So from here what we will get? Minus 8 is equal to 0. Second equation, 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. So these are pair of linear equations in standard form. Now what we will do? We will compare these equations. On comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. What we will get from here? We can find the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. So what is the value of a1? a1 is the coefficient of x and here coefficient of x is 1. So a1 is equal to 1. b1 is minus 1, c1 is equal to minus 8. Now b2 is equal to 3. Sorry, a2 is equal to 3. It is a2 is equal to 3. b2 is equal to minus 3. c2 is equal to minus 16. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3. What we are doing? We are finding the solution. b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 3, minus cancel out. What we are getting? 1 by 3. Now c1 by c2 minus 8 by minus 16, minus cancel out. 8 1s are 8 2s are. So from here what we are getting? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So in this case pair of linear equations are inconsistent. If are inconsistent, then there is no need to draw graph because what is asked in the question is consistent. अगर वो consistent है, then obtain the solutions graphically. And if these are inconsistent, then no need to draw graph in this part. Dear students, its third part. What is given in its third part? 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now again what we will do? We will find the value of a1, b1 and c1, a2, b2 and c2. Comparing it with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a1, what is the value of a1? 2. It is plus here. And b1 will equal to 1. c1 is equal to minus 6. Now comparing this equation with it, we will get a2 is equal to 4. b2 is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to minus 4. Now what we will do? We will find the ratios. a1 by a2, 2 by 4, 2 by 4. a1 by a2 is equal to what we will get? 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now b1 by b2. b1 is 1, b2 is minus 2. As from here because a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Why these are not equal? Because what b1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. From here b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. As it is positive, it is negative. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. It means pair of linear equations are consistent. And if these equations are consistent, we will form graph or we will find the solutions graphically. How we can find? Taking its equation first. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. From here you can find the value of y as minus 6 will become plus 6 when you take it that side or right hand side, and it is minus 2x. For x is equal to 0, y will equal to 6 minus 2 into 0, 0 means 6. For x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1, 6 minus 2 means 4. For x is equal to 2, y will equal to 6 minus 2 into 2, 6 minus 4, y is equal to 2. So from here we get 3 solutions of this equation. Now we will prepare a table. X, y. If x is 0, y is 6. If x is 1, y is 4. X is 2, y is 2. After this, take its second equation. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. From here what we will get? 2y is equal to 4x. What I have done? I have taken this minus 2y this side. Then what we will get? 2y plus 2y will equal to 4x minus 4. Now y is equal to 4x minus 4 divided by 2, or y is equal to, taking 2 common, you can take 2 common, 2x minus 2 divided by 2 means y is equal to 2x minus 2. Now what we will do? We will find the solution of this. What we will get from here? Y is equal to 2x minus 2. For x is equal to 0. Now we will find 3 solutions of this equation also. X is equal to 0. Y will equal to 2 into 0 minus 2 means 0 minus 2. From here y is equal to minus 2. Now for x is equal to 1, y will equal to 2 into 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, y is equal to 0. For x is equal to 2, y will equal to 2 into 2 minus 2, y is equal to 4 minus 2, y is equal to 2. Again we get 3 solutions. Now we will prepare a table. In table, x, y. First for x is equal to 0, y is minus 2. For x is equal to 1, y is 0. And for x is equal to 2, y is 2. Now accordingly we will prepare a graph for these equations. Yes dear students, again we will draw lines. In this our maximum value is 6, then we can take up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 5, it is 6. And minus values also we have taken, then it is minus 1, it will be minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Now write scale also. You have to write scale in every graph. Scale on x-axis and y-axis one box. As we have taken same scale on both the axes, one box is equal to 1 unit distance. 1 unit distance. Nothing is given, so what we will write? We will write 1 unit distance. Now x0, I am representing first equation. x0, y6, 0, 6. Right here 0, 6. X is equal to 1, y is 4. 1, 4, 1, 4. x2, y2. x2 y2 2 2. Join these points and write equation. Which equation they are showing? 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is our first equation. Now for second equation, x is 0, y is minus 2. So y minus 2 will be here, it is minus 2. Then we will write 0 minus 2. Now next point, 1 0. X is 1, y is 0. We will write 1 0. x2 y2. x2 y2. 2 2 we are getting same solution, same point. Now what we will do? We will join these points. It is 2 minus 2. Now dear students, write its equation. It is 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Graph, which type of lines we are getting? We are getting intersecting lines. And when we observe the condition that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, again from table we will get intersecting lines. So graphically and algebraically we are getting same solution. So dear students, we can represent pair of linear equations in this way on graph paper. Now its fourth part is left. I think you can try it yourself. There will be no doubt in fourth part of this question. This is our fourth question of exercise 3.2.